Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing a simple art and craft activity which we did at home today. Every day, me and my daughter, we do different drawing and craft and other interactive playing activities so that we can do the homeschooling part and preschool activities at home. And also it helps to keep her away from screen time, reduce the screen time and play with her. I'm sharing these so that parents can repeat these activities with the kids at home and involve them in this on a daily basis. So today we are making a flower vase using different colored papers, and while you're doing these activities, help the kids also to get involved in it. Ask them what is the different which color paper you're using, what color is next, and where do they want to place the flowers. Help them to stick the flowers on the paper. Keep them involved, like keep talking to them so that their attention is on what you are doing, and they'll get excited to do these activities and they'll find it fun. So that is very important that you get them involved while you're doing these activities. Which color is this?
Orange.
Look here, which color is this?
Orange.
Orange.
It's not turning.
It's not turning?
It's
Okay. Which color is this?
blue.
Blue. And which color is this?
Red.
Red color? We'll make all the colors? Bobby will make colorful flowers?
Yes.
Okay.
Like purple also.
Okay. So as you can see in the video, it's very simple. You just have to fold every paper the same way, and you can change the shape of the petals. You can make one round, one pointed, one like wavy. Stick at the center so that it'll look like embossed, give you a slight 3D effect. Ask your kid also like where do you want to place it, and give it to them to place it, so they'll also enjoy doing this. Is it nice?
Yeah.
Should I cut this now?
Yeah.
You will take this?
Yeah.
Which one you want to cut? Tell me which colors are there? Where is maroon color? Show me maroon color. Where is pink color? Where is violet? Where is orange? Where is blue color? Where is light green?